What's going on, guys? Colossal Entertainment bringing you another Monster Jam Steel Titans 2 video. I know it's been a minute since we've done that, so I decided to, instead of doing NASCAR, I'd give you guys a little bit of Monster Jam. Did a front flip off one on the start of doing bicycles. I was doing a video of this already, but I have this do not disturb for a reason. I gotta go on a rant here. My emergency alert thing came on my phone and while I was recording, and that's fucked me up. So I gotta go with gotta restart the recording. And so far, I think we're gonna have a this looks like it's gonna be a better run than I had doing the first run on camera. Cleanly down that ramp, and let's try to get a backflip. And we are gonna get somewhat of a textbook backflip. Let's try to get some air here. We got some massive air. And let's go sky it. Sky it up off that jump. And here we go. Let's throw it into a donut. Everybody loves donuts. Now we're gonna do it in reverse. Now we're gonna be doing two trucks per part for this show, and that's gonna be it from. Now we're gonna call that a run. What? That was a pretty good run, but there's still other trucks to come, so we gotta do Northern Nightmare next. So let's get him. Let's get it. Grab Northern Nightmare and hit the track. Oh man. What a way to start things off. Sky it off the center ramp. Got a backflip. Oh shit, oh shit. How are we still on all four BKT tires? I'm at a loss. I don't know what I have no idea how I'm still on all four BKTs. I gotta throw it into a front flip. Oh! We literally knocked the tailgate off the truck. Everything else is fine. I kinda went slow around that by turning around, but come on, get it back. Can we get it back? Come on. Oh, we tore the truck up even more. That's gonna be it for Northern Nightmare. Let's go ahead and throw it into a backflip. But that's gonna be it for Northern Nightmare. I think we have time for one more truck for this part, so let's grab Monster Mutt. I saw the OG Monster Mutt at Ford Park one time when I went to see a monster truck show. I fell out of Monster Jam for a while, but it's just I literally fell out of watching when they took away the all the crushed cars and shit. But since new trucks are coming out, I'm starting to get back into it. And we're just gonna try to get some bigger. That's the best it looks like. I think that's the biggest hill we've had so far tonight. And do a little bit of cross-threading action. I'm trying to conserve the truck as best I can because I want to keep it in one piece. And well, so much for that. That's mostly in one piece. We're coming off. Oh man, I don't know if we got longer mod smoke goes on. I think we might have a new leader. Nice smooth landing, but that's gonna be it for monster mode. Let's just. When someone call this a run after a backwards donut. Yeah, I'm sure you guys got dizzy looking at that. Well, that's gonna be it for this part of Indianapolis. I'll see you guys in the next part. I'm thinking about doing NASCAR after this once I get it uploaded. So, see you there. So be there or be square. Because if you're square, you're not around. And this is Colossal Entertainment. And as always, have a good day, everyone.